Good morning, Wildcats. So, hey, we made it to Friday, and a quick message here today about diversity and uniqueness. There are 7.8 billion people on this earth. In the United States alone, the world population clock would tell you that a baby is born every 9 seconds in the United States of America. And every one of us is unique. We have our own personality, our own size, our own shape. Even identical twins have their own thoughts. Everybody is just so different. Um, so, and if you think about it, not only us today, but through all of our past, all of the other billions of people that came before us have been different from each other also, unique from each other. So, William Channing, yeah, black and white photo. Yeah, he's ancient. He was a clergyman in the 19th century, so the 1800s. But he said this about diversity or individuality. Every human being is intended to have a character of his own, to be what no other is, and to do what no other can do. So what Mr. Channing is reminding us is that only you can be you. Like this quote down here, be yourself. Everybody else is already taken. Wildcats, you are a unique, special person. We value you, we love you, we care about you. So add value by loving others, caring about others, taking good care of other people other than just yourselves. Because even though we're all unique, we all share a need to help each other. So our final slide here. Please, Wildcats, share this slide with your parents. Parents, share this with your Wildcats. This is the device turn-in, the locker clean-out, the band and orchestra instrument turn-in schedule. Please attend to this because starting on May 27th, we're going to start turning things in and getting ready for summer. Remember, if you're in summer school, you do not turn your device in. You're going to keep it. And remember also, everything you turn in, clean them up for us. Have them in good shape for us so that you are safe and we are safe. So that's it, Wildcats. Until Monday, you guys all have a great weekend. You know we care about you. Take care.